If you're choosing between Adobe Acrobat and Foxit, don't switch before watching this, because this isn't just PDF software versus PDF software. It's industry standard features versus speed and value. Adobe Acrobat is still considered the industry standard for PDF editing. It offers advanced editing, form creation, e-signatures, document security, cloud tools, and deep integration across professional workflows. For businesses and enterprise users, compatibility is rarely a problem. But here's the catch. Subscriptions can become expensive, and many users complain that Acrobat feels heavier and slower than alternatives. Foxit PDF Editor takes a different approach. It provides PDF editing, annotations, forms, OCR, and collaboration tools, while focusing on lighter performance and lower cost. Many users move to Foxit because it feels faster and offers most of the features people actually use. The downside is that some advanced enterprise workflows and integrations still lean toward Adobe. So is it finally time to switch? Choose Adobe Acrobat if you need advanced workflows, enterprise features, and maximum compatibility. Choose Foxit PDF Editor if you want faster performance and lower costs without losing most important features. Bottom line, for most users, yes, it may finally be time to switch. Foxit now covers what many people actually need while costing less and often feeling faster. But if your workflow depends heavily on enterprise PDF tools and integrations, Adobe Acrobat still holds the advantage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.